From my Adobe Illustrator tutorial series, I've gained nearly 30 million views on a single video and millions more across other posts on Instagram, building a large and engaged community by sharing graphic design tips and tutorials. And it's not just limited to Instagram. I also create content on YouTube and TikTok. Many of you have asked me how I record and edit my short tutorial videos for Instagram and YouTube. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I do it. We'll take one of my viral Adobe Illustrator tutorial videos as an example and go through the entire process, from recording to editing, so you can learn how to create videos like this too. For this, I'll be using an AI-powered software called Focusee, which is an all-in-one solution for recording and editing. The link to download it is in the description. Focusee offers a range of powerful features. It has an auto zoom and pan function, a personalized cursor styling option, AI virtual avatars for explaining videos, an AI subtitle generator, an AI background remover, and much more, making video creation and editing extremely easy. This software can be used for various types of videos, such as product demos, tutorials, online courses, and marketing videos. To get started, click on the free download button. Once it's installed, open the app to begin recording. When you open Focusee, you'll see 3 screen recording options. The first is full screen, which records your entire display. The second is custom, which lets you record a specific area on your screen. And the third option is window, which automatically detects and records a specific software window. There are also 4 more options for devices and audio tools. The first allows you to record yourself through your laptop's camera or any connected camera. The second option lets you record your voice through a microphone. The third captures your system's internal sound or the sound from a specific app. And lastly, there's an amazing teleprompter feature that's incredibly useful while narrating your script. It even works during screen recording. As you can see, I had it open while recording, but it doesn't appear in the final video. Now let's get started with recording our Adobe Illustrator tutorial. First, open Illustrator and adjust the app's window so it fits vertically on the screen. This way it'll look perfect on mobile. Once it's adjusted, select the custom option in Focusee and drag to record only the specific area around the app. After making your selection, hit record, and it will start capturing your screen. You can now begin demonstrating your tutorial. Once you're done, save it, and the software will automatically open your recording in the built-in editor. Inside the editor, start by adjusting the video ratio to fit your canvas. Go to the Video Enhancement tab and select the 9:16 ratio for perfect vertical content that fits mobile screens, or choose any other predefined social media ratio. You can also tweak the screen size, add rounded corners, shadows, and even set a background including abstract or gradient backgrounds. Next, we'll edit the video. Begin by reviewing your recording and using the split tool to cut out any unnecessary parts. Select the sections you don't need and hit delete. You can also adjust the playback speed. Simply split the part you want to speed up and apply the speed change. You'll notice that Focusee automatically adds zoom and pan effects. You can fine-tune these adjustments using the blue bar that appears where you want to apply the zoom. You can also use the highlight feature to draw the viewer's attention to specific areas. Just select the spotlight tool and choose the area you want to emphasize. Next, open the Cursor tab to customize your cursor's size, style, and effects. You can even add click sounds directly, something that usually requires adding sound effects manually. Then, we have the Shortcut Key tab. This feature automatically detects and displays the shortcut keys you use during your tutorial. Simply toggle on the display option, and it will show them in real time. You can also customize their style, color, background, opacity, size, and position on the screen. Another great feature is the subtitle generator. It can automatically generate subtitles from your video's audio. Just choose the source language and hit generate. Since this particular video doesn't have any audio, I can't demonstrate it here, but it's an extremely useful feature for voice-based tutorials. There's also the Smart Cut feature, which automatically removes silence and filler words from your narration, making your video sound smoother and more natural, keeping your audience engaged. Finally, Focusy offers AI virtual avatars that can make your videos even more engaging. There are dozens of avatars to choose from, both male and female, and you can even change their background colors. That's it for this video. Make sure to check the link in the description to access Focusee and start creating your own amazing content. Special thanks to Focusee for sponsoring this video.